Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will be showing you up how you can download Oracle VirtualBox to do virtualization, and also I will be showing you Oracle VirtualBox extension, how you can also download that one. So I will also be showing you how you can download Kali Linux. So without further ado, let us go to the Google or any kind of search engine you like. Okay, let us use guest mode. We search here Oracle VirtualBox. Now the first things are virtualbox.org. Open that, go to the download, choose your Windows host if you're using OS X, choose if you're using Linux distributions you can use. So me, I'm using Windows host, and we click that one, so it will download Windows host. Now down here, okay, here you see VirtualBox extension back. You also download this one. So me, I have already downloaded both of them, so I don't need them. So now we downloaded our software and our extension. The software is VirtualBox, and we also downloaded the extension back. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we go to the download folder and we install it from there. So to do a little brief thing, VirtualBox is a piece of software that can allow you to virtualize other operating systems. Now if you want to play with Windows Server or any kind of Linux distros or Mac OS, you can download VirtualBox, so and you can play it from there. So there are other softwares that can also do, like Windows Hyper-V, also VMware. They also do same thing that Oracle VirtualBox can do. So without further ado, let us go and install our softwares. Now we go to the download folder. May I have here Oracle VirtualBox here. Now right click and run as admin. Click yes. Now it will start to install. It's a business of next install. Now what I want to show you is you go to the network, open network and sharing center, change the data setting. Now here we have internet 2 only, so here it will be added other internets. Like now here we were having Ethernet 2, which was our Ethernet adapter. Here it's added Ethernet 2, which is VirtualBox, and also VirtualBox host on a network, which is enabled. So it has those Ethernet interfaces, which is virtualized. So it has installed that one to also be aware. So we click finish. Now the beauty is going to load. You see it's loaded up. So let us install Oracle VirtualBox extension back. Also right click, or double click, I mean you double click and pops up the VM. So you click install, you read this a bunch of lessons, these are the lessons, feel free to read and I agree. So it will install. Okay, you see the extension pack, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack was installed successfully. So click OK, then close. Now we install our software. Now we have to download the images that's going to run our VM, so which is super fantastic. So we go to the web browser. Now let us close all these. We open a new session and we type Kali Linux. Now the first link is Kali Linux penetration testing and ethical hacking Linux. So you go to that. So here we have www.kali.org. So we go to that link and we choose download. Now give it attention. If you want to download Kali Linux, it has so many options. We have bare metal. If you want to install your computer or your PC, you can choose bare metal. Here we have virtualized interfaces, be it VMware, be it VirtualBox. So we also here have which can be supported like Raspberry Pi. We also have a mobile. Also here is WSL Live Boot. Also it supports containers and cloud. So we have we're going to be doing for cloud also. So we choose virtual machines. Here we have to choose our, now we got here, let us choose virtual machines. Now virtual machines, which one suits you? Is it VMware or VirtualBox? We choose VirtualBox. So it chooses for you 64 or 32. If you want 32, you click 32 and you choose VirtualBox. If you want 64, you click 64 and you choose VirtualBox to download automatically. You see here. Now if it's VMware, if it's 64, you click VMware and start downloading. So if it's 32-bit, you choose from that 2-bit and you start downloading. So we download our Oracle VirtualBox, our piece of software that can do for us virtualization. We also download its extension pack. We also download the Kali Linux we install. So let us run Kali Linux in Oracle VirtualBox. To run this piece of software, you go to import. Remember we are having OVA file, so you go to import, go to that icon. So down here use this BC local disk F, where you see Kali Linux VirtualBox AMD64 open. So next, import, agree, and it's done. Now it has been installed. So the only thing that you are gonna do is we right click, then go to setting. So we start from system. Okay, we are using 2 GB of RAM. The motherboard is 2. That's fantastic. Let us go to network. The network should be NATed. From there we can start our machine. Start normal. So there you put Kali, the password is same Kali, and you click login. There you go, you have your Kali Linux run inside your operating system, which is Windows 10. So it's super fantastic, super fantastic. When you want to exit, you go to here and click shut down. You want to start, so start. So we install into our VirtualBox. So thank you very much for watching the video, and also kindly subscribe and press the bell icon, and do all the stuff of YouTube, such as like, commenting, so on and so forth. Thank you.